a little bit with the sea strike. I don't really want to mold it. I just had an idea, but I don't want to do that. This is going to be a pretty short video. Okay, so clay is nice and soft. I'm just going to see what happens if I take a little bit of clay and a little bit this time and mix it together so it doesn't, so it don't mix up my whole slime. Ooh, it's getting nice. Okay, that's really nice. Okay, I love this. It's great. So this one was a little rippy before, so I put lotion in it. I really have to, because I don't have glycerin. Okay, first I'm gonna do some ASMR with this one. This is how I think some people get the really good bubble pops, like some videos. Because if you just go this way, it doesn't give you that much bubble pops. But if you take like this, get in a bubble formation, then like make it a slime swirl, it gets really nice bubble pops. I just can't stop putting my hands on this. It's really nice. Look, one green glitter from another slime I produced. I found this tray. Okay, it's out of center. Let me try to fix it. Okay, no, that did not help. There we go. It's way better. As I was saying, if you just do your average normal slime swirl like this, not that much bubble pops. But you see on videos. At least I think you do. Really good bubble pops ASMR slimes, but that doesn't always happen. So you need to make it in bubble formation, then close it and make it in this way. 1,000 times more. I'm not saying people do that. It's just a theory. Hypothesis. And it could help you out. If you want to make your slime seem like it's better, like you have a slime shop or something. Okay, so this is a nice texture. Okay, let me do one more ASMR. This white slime. Because I'm just saying, this sounds way... No, I said this sounds way better than this. Let's put in the clay. I'm gonna make it a ball. Looks like an egg. Oh, hey, could be a little egg. Like this. Push it in. I just want to see what happens when we mix a little bit of this in. Okay, I like it this way. I'm gonna add a little more. Doesn't have to be decorative or anything. So, because I personally don't like very buttery butter slimes, because they don't make as good bubble pops and pokes. You don't need to know this, but I'm just going to tell you. Last night I watched the movie Coco. I know, it came out so much longer than last Friday night, but anyway. Also, if you live like around the New York area, so Canada is having a lot of wildfires, and it's coming down the smoke is coming down this area. A few days ago, the sky was literally orange, but now it's cleared up. You could still smell the smoke. Just if you're in like New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, close to Canada, close to the north side of Canada, just stay safe. The other day I went home from school because I felt dizzy, probably inhaled smoke, and the day where the sky was literally orange, the kids were freaking out, and it was honestly a good day, even though kids were freaking out, because our teacher, she literally, to get us less stressed out, because like we have 16 kids in our class, at least half of them, like a good half, were like crazy. I was like mild one of them. My friend, like Miss Reed had these big foam dice. She gave them to ones that were squishy. I let my best friend.
I had one too.
I let my best friend use it. She gave it to my other friend, but I still needed that because I was stressed out. I'm like, Sylvie, why would you do that? I'm really stressed out. No, I forgive her. It's all past, but that day was honestly awesome. Besides the panic attack, the minor panic attack that we had. Miss Reed literally let us go on our Chromebooks, play. There's a website called CBC Kids. It's a really fun game website. She let us do that for like almost all day. And then like me and some other kids go to a feelings lady. Like every once in a while, we usually go to her on Friday, but I guess now it's different. I don't know, maybe. I don't know, because we were planning on going to a field trip on Friday to a zoo. It got canceled because of all the stupid smoke around here. Like if you're in California watching this somewhere, not near Canada, you know, you probably won't.
That's a good-looking door.
You'll be safe. You'll be fine. Like, but just hear my story. Because of the stupid smoke, on Friday there wasn't even a lot of smoke. But I guess like if people have, some people have asthma. It was only for the third grade, which is like 80 kids. That's a lot. Geez. But it got rescheduled on Tuesday. And like a few days ago when the sky was orange, I know I keep repeating the sentence. It's just so exciting to me. Like the first half of the day, like it was the concert day. Yeah, it was the concert day. We were good. We did some work, but then later in the day, like the kids just started getting tireder, started freaking out, and I'm gonna name the slime scrambled eggs. And then my friend, she gave the squish that I was using to Mia, and she's like, she needed it. Like, Sylvie, I needed that too. No. Did I give you permission to give that to her? No, I was using that. Okay. Anyway. So that day was honestly good. Then the other half of the day, the kids started getting more stressed out, and Miss Reed let us go on CBC Kids games, APCR games. They did not sponsor me, by the way. And then, so there's this kid in my class, William. He felt bad, he had a fever, he went down to the nurse. And Gunner, I hate him for this. He said William's dying or whatever. Gunnar, do not say that. He's not dying, okay? He just has a fever. That's really rude.
You don't have to take your day to do it. That's too much work. That's too much work. You don't have to do that.
And then Julian kept mentioning like we all go down to the feelings teacher, Mrs. Malik, and we talk about like how we're stressed and all sorts of stuff like that. And you know, and Julian kept mentioning that we're gonna die, the world is gonna end, and then there was a poor little groundhog outside. We named him Chubby Butt, because he had a chubby butt. And the boys, they said Chubby Butt's dying. Raiden, why would you say he's dying? He's fine. He's an animal. He's used to these conditions. He didn't die. Then tomorrow, oh, my son's going crazy. He came back. And Chubby Butt was fine.
You want to grab this here?
Anyway, guys,
I'll do that if you want to go in the faucet.
thank you so much for watching.
Well, I have to see
Please
if Joanne could drive me over.
subscribe.
I don't drive,
Oh, you don't drive?
so I'll see what she's doing.
Oh, okay.
My dad's talking loud.
Can we go ask her?
Don't worry, he's not having a fight.
No, so I'll drive you.
It's just an old blind guy and can't hear that well. So,
Oh, my Joanne.
anyway,
He doesn't drive.
thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. I hope you liked the little story. Maybe I could start doing do slime and kinetic
Making
sand.
polenta?
Uh,
Polenta? Or spaghetti?
Magic slime, right?
I'm filming
Why
a
don't I
video.
give you the faucet?
Anyway, guys, sorry for the interruption. So, if you want me to tell a story, play with slime, kinetic sand, whatever, just comment down below. I think it's really fun. Have a great Sunday or Saturday. I honestly lost track of time. Sorry. That probably makes me sound dumb. So thank you so much for watching, listening to my story, and the field trip got rescheduled to Thursday. The one that got canceled on Friday. Ooh. So, if you have a similar story with the Canadian wildfires, if you're in Canada, if you are near New York, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, I'm not sure which other states, close to Canada. Oh, this is a wrong container. Do that. So if you're near Canada, Pennsylvania, any state really, Canada, just tell me a story. You could tell me what's going on. If you want, you don't have to. And also, don't forget to comment down below if I should do slime, sad slime things next. Bye! I need to get on pause my tripod, that's why I'm a little slow to go. So, bye!